Hey traders, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video ain't going to be the normal videos you usually see me posting, because BBFX AI is now truly a game changer. Okay, we've added bots here and the bots are very profitable. So there's this one bot that I personally have approved it and I want to test this in my live account. So let's go ahead and try it out. So you will head over to the M digit. Once you get to the M digit, you're going to find these bots. These are AI powered bots and they are powered by Cloud AI, okay, to be specific. So you see this auto, even and odd, turn it on. Say the stake amount you want to use. Let me use $30. Make sure you turn on your martingale if you love using martingale. Some people hate martingale. So then you make sure this is at auto, because it's going to follow the best market, the top market for even, because we want to trade even. So once that's done, you just press start. $24, $49. Let's target $100. One loss. Okay, another loss. $62. Shit, a loss. Loss. We've made losses. We've recovered. We almost blew our account. So we had a loss of $300. It was like $300. Yeah, but you see, we've managed to recover from that loss. So all is good now. $10, $60, $84 now, $100. Our target has been hit. So let's recover from that loss. $49, 98. No, another loss. Okay, there we go. Shit, the last trade has been a loss, so I'll have to recover. I'm looking for $30. I've started in a very, very bad note. $10, $19, negative $30. Okay, there we go. So let's see. The most amount of losses we've experienced is 4, but generally you can see the bot is profitable, right? Because we've had 20 wins and 20 losses, and total amount we've made is $160. That's not bad.